Let's look at the reaction of metals and nonmetals. Usually metals are electropositive in nature, which means it will readily give out electrons, whereas nonmetals are electronegative in nature, which accepts electron to go to a stable state. Now let's look at an example of sodium and chlorine reaction. This is a sodium element which has 11 electrons and it has one valence electron in its outermost shell. And this is a chlorine element which has 17 electrons and 7 valence electrons in its outermost shell. Sodium can give out this electron to become an octet state, whereas chlorine can take one more electron to form an octet state. This leads to transfer of this electron from sodium to chlorine to form ions. Post-electron transfer, sodium losing one electron becomes electropositive and chlorine gaining an extra electron becomes negative. These two opposite charges attract to each other and this forms an ionic compounds. NaCl was hence formed by sodium metal and chlorine non-metal. Look at the case of magnesium. It has two valence electrons in its outermost shell. To become an octet state, it has to give out two electrons. If it has to react with chlorine, chlorine can take only one electron, whereas magnesium has the ability to give out two electrons. This gives rise to another chlorine element coming into picture. Now, each of this chlorine element takes one electron to form MgCl2. Examples of ionic salts are aluminum chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, and etc.